Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is MamaJo. What we get to do today na to cook soup, and that soup na cotton wool seed. That cotton wool seed known as akpuroruru. Now we want cook today. And what we will take cook and I be all this ones. Make I show you people. This one na chicken, goat meat, ice fish, crayfish, cotton wool seed, fish. Onions. This is vegetable to make the soup. Pepper, turkey, stockfish. This one are the spices, and this one are the banga. See here, banga. Then this one are mangi. When we go put for inside the soup, and this one are salt. And now I will show you people how we go take boil the meat. First of all, we go boil the goat meat, because the goat meat it take no less than maybe like 40 minutes to 45 minutes to cook. Then now I get a big small pot, I get big pot. Then this big pot, if we use them so that make it contain all. Even if you want to say okay, you want cook so that make the small one, you feel use small pot, you feel use big pot. Then first of all, I will first boil the goat meat, because the goat meat they take time. And that time when they take, we go first of all boil them. At least if you boil small before I go turn the chicken put inside. Then first of all now I carry the onions. Then I will turn inside the goat meat. Then one mangi, then I'll just put a little water inside. Then I on the light. Okay, then this one. Just put a little, add little. Okay. Then you just put stockfish inside also, because the stockfish is hard to cook. Cook it together. You cover it. At least it will done. The something will go done like 40 minutes or 45 minutes. Okay, now the meat is done the boil. Make I open them. May I look how the meat be now. Wow. But the chicken, I never still put the chicken though, because the goat meat is dey strong. As it is strong so, when it don't boil small now, before I will come put that chicken meat inside. Okay, be like I will put myself, because this one when it don't boil so, make I put them, make all of them done together. Now I put the chicken. Why I they put the chicken many like this? Be say both the meat and everything like this. Be say if the pot full, I feel come out them some, put them for here. Then when it done finish, I go tie them. I go put them for inside freezer. I go to eat them small. Many people they make small. Many people they make it big. If you like, you make a big one. If you like, you make a small one. Depend the one you like. Say you go make it plenty or you go make a small one. This one now is plenty. When I made the soup finish now, the pot go full. Okay. Then now I cover them. Then what I will do now, not to grind the cotton wool seed now. Then I turn and put. Okay. The cotton wool seed now. Okay. something then they grind, you know the waste time. Then you grind and just like don't grind. This grinder done the mistake, misbehave now. Okay, now I will turn out for inside the plate. See, but I will still filter them. I will filter the something, but first of all, make I grind the onions. You see? Okay, raise some a little. You still there? Okay. Then what now I will do now? Like the crayfish. The crayfish, I no go grind the crayfish because I know they like to they chop this cottonwood seed without crayfish. I no go grind them. I only grind the onions and the pepper together. Now I dey grind onions now. This one na pepper. Then I need water. Little water because of the cottonwood seed. Little water. Okay. Okay. Now, then, what it remain now? I will leave the meat first of all. Make the meat done. When the meat is done, then now I will filter the cottonwood seed. Look, this is cottonwood seed. Like this one now. If you turn out for inside soup like this, it's not good. Then you filter them. Not see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Then this one. This one are the onions with the pepper. Then I will turn them together. Okay. Okay. Now I put the turkey because this turkey is not strong also. Then I put the turkey inside now. Okay. Look. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Okay. Then we cover them. Then the meat. When the meat don't finish, before we go turn all these ones put. Like the ice fish. The ice fish now is too early. When we go put them. The fish. Now, maybe like 20 minutes time, I will put the fish. Then the crayfish. I will put the crayfish now. I will put the crayfish now put. Yeah, the crayfish. Then we open am now, we control how the something be. Then wetin we go do now, we go turn the banga, put for inside the meat. Okay, here we go. We just turn the something like this. Then the cotton wool seed, then we'll carry the cotton wool seed now, we'll pour the cotton wool inside. So that both the meat and the cotton wool seed, all of them go done together. Okay, now we turn. You will turn the something, turn until you mix finish. Okay, then we carry fish. Then we turn the fish inside also. For my place where I come from, wetin we dey call this cotton wool seed na ngbamejetele, known as ngbamejetele. That ngbamejetele meaning, say, from example, you cook this one for your husband. Oh my God. If your husband get visitor, he won't escort them go. He go walk out from here to here. He go remember the type of soup you dey cook for inside house. He go come back. Now he make am come be say, his second name again na Ngbamejetele for my dialect. Okay, now make I look how the soup be now. That one Maggi will remain. We'll put them inside. I put the fish now. I'll lower fire because the fire is too much. Okay. And now I'll cover them again. Then later, when I see say the something don't come down small, before I will pour the grain. Now I will leave the fish and the meat with the everything I put inside, make them done together. Before now the leaf, the green leaf, now it will be the last. Okay, now the green we'll put it for inside now. Few minutes, we don't carry and down. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's sweet oh. Wow. Okay, the soup done now. I don't off the fire. Then I open now. Make I see what we go fit do. And I want take from inside. Okay, and like this soup now, this soup, you feel use and chop rice, you feel use and chop bread, you feel use and chop yam, any food you like, you feel use and chop. And like from example, like this food I make now, I make it with wheat. Then this wheat now, I don't make it finish, and I be this, then I go chop this and this together. Mwah! Wow. Okay, now I finish everything. Then just for me to clean a little bit where soup enter. Okay. Then this is the food and this is the soup. Wow. See the scent alone, sir. Okay, now we don't finish. Thank you very much. As you people watch them, I thank you people very much. And please, make you not forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. Okay, my dear. Bye-bye. Bye.